15 minutes later. Come on, Red, burn.
Running on the left.
That's right.
Yep. It's getting in from behind.
Oh no.
That's not meant to be a commentary on your political views, Sarah.
I'm not going
On your lack of social skills.
That's great. See you next trip, Sarah.
We hope.
It's not. This will happen all over again.
Man, she gives off a lot of heat.
Dang it, you got marshmallows left?
Yeah?
Is this still recording? Beautiful.
Mine just finished. My card is now full. 3 minutes of video.
Uh-oh.
You could give it the last Rice Krispie square.
Sorry, folks. Nothing burns like an apple.
Oh, she's going now.
Oh, sort of sees a picture. Count three, everyone say bye, Sarah. 1, 2, 3.
Bye, Sarah! You suck!